In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use right stick shooting in 2K25. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the right stick shooting mechanic, mostly widely known as the pro stick rhythm shooting. This is a shooting mechanic that gives you more control and a potential boost to your shot window if it is mastered. So it is different from traditional button or simple stick shooting where you just hold and then release. So basically, you will start the shot. Instead of just holding down the right stick, you first pull the stick down to begin the shot animation. So the first step is going to be to pull the right stick down. Then the set point and push motion. When your player's jump shot animation reaches its set point, so the peak of the jump shot where the ball is about to be pushed forward, you then push the right stick up. So the second motion that you do after you send it down is to keep pushing it up. The key is to match the timing and the speed of your player's push motion with your stick movement. If you do a quicker, snappier release, this will require a flick of the stick. And if the player has a slower release, this needs a more deliberate push. You're essentially mimicking the real-life shooting motion with your thumb. Keep in mind that you don't need to do the second motion where you push the stick up completely straight. So you can curve it to the side if you wish. This can help you indirectly slow it down. So you have to push the stick down and then back up at the same rate as your player. If you are able to match the speed in which the player jumps, reaches the peak of the jump, and then releases the ball, it is going to gain a big boost and you will see excellent timing, excellent tempo. And like I said before, because each player is unique in the way that they shoot the ball, you will have to play around and see the timing of each individual one. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.